Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating demand quickly. Ask friends, post polls, or create a tiny landing page and measure clicks. Once you see interest, pick a free platform, social shop, marketplace listing, or a free site builder, and set it up now. Make sure to prepare clean product images, concise descriptions, and initial pricing that covers shipping. Don't wait for perfection. Launch a single product listing, capture emails, and iteratively improve based on the first responses. Once your first listing is live, move to scalable methods that need no capital: dropshipping, print on demand, or selling digital downloads. You should set up simple automations, free chatbots for FAQs, and a basic email autoresponder for order confirmation and upsells. Then focus on low-cost customer acquisition. Post consistent organic content, join niche groups, optimize product titles for search, and reach out to micro-influencers for trade promotions. Keep testing offers, tracking conversion rates, and tightening your funnel where customers drop off. You complete the setup by testing the full purchase flow. Place a test order, confirm payment clearing, and verify fulfillment steps. Once done, continuously monitor key metrics: conversion percentage, average order value, refund rate, and top traffic sources, and use those to prioritize fixes. If things go wrong, check the payment gateway and shipping provider first, then audit your product pages and return policy. Make iterative changes, communicate transparently with customers, and scale only after steady, repeatable results emerge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.